As winter arrives, large parts of Pakistan get shrouded in toxic smog, a mix of fog and dangerous pollutants that hurts the eyes, throat and lungs, landing many in hospitals. Bashir Ahmed had to seek emergency care.
I had health issues already. When I arrived in Lahore, it got worse because of pollution. I'm really suffering.
Air Quality Index or AQI reading above 300 makes air hazardous for breathing. Cities across the most populous province Punjab have crossed that limit several times recently. Record pollution has prompted officials to temporarily shut down schools, limit outdoor activities, and make government employees work from home.
It is bringing our economy to standstill. Children cannot go to school, we cannot go to our offices, airlines cannot operate, trains stop 30 minutes before reaching Lahore, for hours. So in that sense, it is probably the worst crisis that we are facing.
Low-grade fuel in vehicles has long been the primary driver of year-round air pollution in Pakistan, followed by industrial emissions and waste burning. The problem becomes more visible in winters as cold, heavy air traps pollutants close to the ground. In the nation's capital, Islamabad, the Margla Hills these days are barely visible. The city sits on the edge of Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the two provinces worst affected by smog. And the air, heavy with dust and pollutants, is making the lush green mountains look grey. At the National Disaster Management Authority's National Emergencies Operations Centre in Islamabad, experts predict the crisis will worsen in coming weeks.
We see a more aggressive smog in the coming days and also in December as well.
Air quality readings vary widely among international satellites, third-party sensors, and the government's own few monitors. But Shah says it's clear that climate change data trends point to a troubling future.
We know that every year it will be more warmer than the previous year, so the future is more scary in terms of smog.
Sheikh says Pakistan needs long-term solutions and not temporary curbs.
First is the public transportation. Second is the improving quality of fuel. Third, making a quick transition towards decarbonizing our economy.
Pakistan's environmental officials say they are making strides as the province introduces a 10-year smog reduction plan.
We are installing emissions control system on every industrial unit that is using boilers. We are inspecting new cars for emissions. For the first time, the government of Punjab is going to check the quality of fuel that is for sale.
Health officials in Punjab say doctors have treated over 1.8 million patients with respiratory illnesses since mid-October. Still, few wear masks despite government orders. Breathing toxic air is reducing life expectancy in Pakistan by almost 4 years, according to the Air Quality Life Index at the University of Chicago. As smog continues to hang over densely populated areas, Pakistanis may have to brace for many more sick days. Sarah Zaman, VOA News, Islamabad.